Hemant Biswa Sharma in a press conference today has made some explosive allegations against Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi. Now, his allegations include alleged links with Pakistan. Now, Biswa here also accused his wife Elizabeth of ferrying confidential information to Islamabad. Now, this information was allegedly shared through a Pakistani handler called Ali Tokir Sheikh, according to Biswa. Take a listen.
ये सारे घटना का शुरुआत हुए मैं सिंगापुर में था, एक असम का इन्वेस्टमेंट का प्रपोजल लेके सिंगापुर में था। वो समय ये फ़ोटो ये पिक्चर वायरल हुए कि हमारे असम का सांसद गौरव गोगोई जी ने ये युवा लोगों को लेके पाकिस्तान एम्बेसी में चला गया और तब अब्दुल बसीत पाकिस्तान का हाई कमिश्नर था, उनका साथ काफ़ी देर बिताया और एक प्रकार से पाकिस्तान को लेजिटिमाइज करने का कोशिश भी हुए। ये पिक्चर अगर आप कारगिल युद्ध का प्रेक्षापट में देखें तो हमारे ही असम का कैप्टन जिंटू गोगोई ने देश के लिए प्राण दिए थे और कोई सारे लोगों ने देश के लिए प्राण दिए थे और पाकिस्तान का साथ हमारा संबंध का बारे में सब जानते हैं और कैसे ऑपरेशन सिंदूर का समय देश का लोग कैसे प्रधानमंत्री जी का पीछे खड़ा हुए थे, इससे ही देश का भावना का भी पता चलता है। मेरा नहीं लगता है कि कांग्रेस का कोई भी और नेता, कांग्रेस में कोई सारे नेता है जो कोई सारा विषय में बीजेपी को सपोर्ट भी नहीं करते हैं, सरकार को भी सपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं, इंडिपेंडेंट व्यू रखते हैं, लेकिन कांग्रेस का भी कोई नेता आज तक पाकिस्तान एम्बेसी में ऐसे डेलीगेशन लेके गया है, ये भी मेरा मेमोरी है वो मेमोरी ये भी सपोर्ट नहीं करता है। हम हमेशा कोई सारे नेता को क्रिटिसाइज करता हो, सैम पित्रोदा से लेकर जयराम रमेश से शशि थरूर तक, लेकिन पाकिस्तान एम्बेसी में ऐसे खुल्लम खुल्ला युवाओं को लेके जाने का चित्र शायद वो सब लोगों का भी नहीं है। तो ये जब पिक्चर देखा बहुत देर तक मैंने सोच के रखा था ये कोई फोटोशॉप है, बट आफ्टर 2-3 days कांग्रेस पीपल स्टार्टेड एनरोजिंग इट, देन आई रियलाइज दैट दिस पिक्चर इज ट्रू, देन वी ओपन अप द एंटायर इन्वेस्टिगेशन because it cannot be in isolation.
Now, viewers, Hemant Biswa Sharma also gave out details as to what kind of engagement Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi and his wife had with former Pakistani diplomat Abdul Basit. Take a listen.
We have to realize that there is something more behind this picture. Followed by this, Abdul Basit paid a visit to Assam also. But okay, an ambassador can always come. I don't want to go on length. But followed by this picture, he came to Assam also. And then we searched and then we found that Gaurav Gogoi's wife, Elizabeth Kolban Gogoi, was working in Pakistan since March 18, 2011 to March 17, 2012. And then we searched further on different open source and social media. Then we found that the family is very closely connected with a person called Ali Tokir Sheikh.
Now, viewers, further, Assam's Chief Minister also goes on to give us details about a Pakistani handler identified by the name Ali Tokir Sheikh. He says that both Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi and his wife have been engaging with this Pakistani national. Take a listen.
Ali Tokir Sheikh is the CEO of Lead Pakistan. He is a member of many committees formed by Government of Pakistan, Prime Minister of Pakistan in international forum. And he used to advocate Pakistan's viewpoint on Indus Water Treaty globally, demands Pakistan Bangladesh shared view and response on Assam Muslim population, accused BJP of Hindu nationalist agenda, criticized interfaith marriage.
All right, viewers, now Hemant Biswa Sharma also goes on to say that the wife of Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi, Elizabeth Colburn, had in fact links with an NGO in Pakistan and she was sharing some confidential information to the country. Take a listen.
When Elizabeth came to India, her entire salary control package, everything was controlled from Pakistan. আৰু ভাৱনা লুথ্ৰা যিগৰাকী লিড ইণ্ডিয়াৰ হেড, তেওঁ আমাক ষ্টেটমেণ্ট দিয়ে যে এজ শ্বি ৱাজ পেইড বাই পাকিস্তান, লিড পাকিস্তান, আই ডিড নট হেভ এনি কণ্ট্ৰল অভাৰ হাৰ। দ্য মষ্ট ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট থিং এণ্ড দ্য ডেমেজিং থিং হোৱাট আলি টকিৰ ৱাজ ডুইং থ্ৰু এলিজাবেথ. Elizabeth used to gather various activities surrounding India, including the climate actions, the India's government response to climates, how things can be done. So she used to give reports to the Pakistan, to Ali Tokir. The damaging report, August 5, 2014, Elizabeth Gogoi sent a report to her. This report is very, very important. She got information from IB, reference to secret IB reports. আৰু ক'লে যে প্ৰধানমন্ত্ৰী মোদী অহাৰ পিছত ইয়াত এতিয়া ভাৰতত ক্লাইমেট একশ্যন নচলিব. So we have to adopt a new strategy. The name of the strategy was low risk, low visibility. This was Elizabeth Gogoi's recommendation to Ali Tokir that after Prime Minister Modi came into power, the climate actions group like CDK and Lead Pakistan, Lead India will not have a field day. So we have to change the strategy. She quote IB. I don't know where from she got the IB reports. She quote IB and she says that now we have to change the strategy to low risk, low visibility, and very important thing, তেওঁ Ali Tokirok bujale that now we have to bypass central government for our activity in India. Now we have to bypass central government and oversight through sub-national engagement.
Now, viewers, after these massive allegations made by the Assam's Chief Minister, Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi also hit back at Hemant Biswa Sharma, calling these allegations baseless and bogus. Take a listen. In fact, Assam's Chief Minister is just speaking right now. Let's cut across to him.
Pakistan.
No, but he has not replied also. Yes.
You say that he evaded.
Yes. He's
But
being an escapist.
denied and evade is a big difference. He has not denied that he was in Pakistan. He has not denied that his wife took salary from a ISI operative. He has not denied that his both son and daughters has taken UK passport, converted their religion. Has he denied all these
He
things?
has not denied it, but he is avoiding those questions.
If he is avoided, it is your duty to extract answer from him. It is not my duty. I cannot hold on and say that now he replied to Republic. That is not my job.
There has been also widespread protest being witnessed across Assam today.
I think
against Gaurav
if
Gogoi.
there is a protest, you report it. What about, how can I comment on this thing? I have addressed 2 hours long press conference. Whatever I have to say, I have said it in totality. Until even after 4-5 hours, the fact remains that Gaurav Gogoi has not denied a single allegation. But let him accept it, deny it, that is a different thing. But law will definitely come to him.
All right, viewers, that was Assam's Chief Minister Hemant Biswa Sharma saying that despite him holding a conference and hours after that, Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi has not denied those massive allegations. He says that he's trying to evade it, but he's still categorically not denied those allegations. Now, viewers, let's also listen as to what exactly Gaurav Gogoi had said after Biswa held a press conference.
Chief Minister has embarrassed himself on national stage. After a 2.5-hour long press conference, he was not even able to convince the journalists in the room. If you listen to the questions asked by the journalists, even they were not convinced. And therefore, the Chief Minister thinks that the people of Assam do not have any intelligence, do not have any knowledge. So he should respect the people of Assam. People of Assam know who is the ultimate deceitful chief minister, most misolia Mukhyamantri, sabse jhoot bolne wala Mukhyamantri, people of Assam very well know, and people of Assam will decide concisively and decisively in the upcoming assembly election to throw out Himanta Biswa Sharma from the CM's chair. Right now, the way our Congress party is undergoing a Samay Parivartan Yatra, where we have uncovered more than 4,000 acres of land, 4,000 acres of land belonging to the Chief Minister and members of his family. He is unable to hide from that. He is unable to run away from that. He is unable to hide that. And therefore, a desperate Chief Minister is resorting to the only thing he knows, which is lies, lies and more lies. Complete bogus. I think he made he embarrassed himself. He made a mockery of the chair of the Assam Chief Minister in front of the entire national media. How many, I want to ask if there are certain BJP ministers in union government. I hope you ask the same questions to those BJP ministers also.
Sir, why Interior Ministry of Pakistan have extended your visa?
Today, the report shows that the Chief Minister is extremely worried. He has made an embarrassment of himself. For 2.5 hours he went on, but even the journalists in the room who had come from Delhi, even they were not convinced. And all the questions, if you listen to the questions, you can hear from themselves that the journalists also don't believe what the Chief Minister presented today.